Hello beautiful people. In today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare Nigerian fufu. So this is cassava I prepare so for the fufu, Nigerian fufu. So if you have never watched my how I prepare fufu, go and watch it. It's there.
Hello viewers, as you could see, this is the fufu we prepared in our previous video. So we want to, like as we promised, we are going to show you how to prepare the fufu. Right at this stage we have two stages of preparing the
Nigerian
fufu.
fufu.
So the first one is we are going to put it inside this pot, add some water to it and mix it properly before turning it in the fire, which is the easier way. So viewers, as you can see, this is the fufu, the cassava dough we prepared. Now the second method, which we are not going to use for now because that method is a bit stressful. It involves the mortar.
Yes.
It involves the mortar. So if we have to be using this mortar now, this method is a bit stressful. So we are going to use the easy one. And because of ties, and we'll just use the easy method. In another video, we will do another method using the mortar. So we are going to remove the mortar for now and focus on the easy one.
So I'm going to turn the cassava inside pot, as you can see. So this is the cassava. So I'm going to pour water, small water inside. So I'm going to turn up my fire. So I'm putting small water inside so that the water will not be too much for me to turn. Okay? See? So I'm going to on my fire. Okay? So So I'm going to put small water. As you can see, the fufu is strong.
Hello viewers, as you can see, the fufu is getting more solid. So
You see?
that is why we added some small water.
So I'm going to put more water again.
So viewers, as you could see the Nigerian fufu, the first method is getting solidified and very soon it will be ready for eating. So we'll still put it up for it to turn more. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Share this video with your loved ones, with your family, with your colleagues, and drop your comments. Let us know what you think about this method, and if you would like to see the other method, let us know in the comments. Thank you.
So my people, as you could see, the Nigerian fufu is ready. You see, as it's smooth, no slump. It's very nice. No smell, nothing like smell inside this fufu. Okay, if you want to do fufu, go and watch my how I prepare this, the processing of this, the Nigeria fufu. So our fufu is ready. So beautiful people, you see, this is Nigeria fufu. As you could see, Nigeria fufu. So we are going to use this soup to eat it. This is okra soup. As you can see, this is okra soup.
Why?
If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you are watching my video for the first time, thank you very much. Watch more so that
Subscribe for more videos like this. This is Nigerian Fufu.